Good morning, and welcome to the Hillbilly Hoarder. We're back at it. Can you hear those hen turkeys? What a beautiful morning. Did you hear the gobbler? We're going to keep walking. If I find anything, we'll get back with you. I thought this was neat. A box turtle digging himself out after he's been buried all winter long. It was a cold, hard winter here in the Hillbilly State. Just another amazing creation. If we find anything else, we'll get back with you. Check out that blonde squirrel. Now, how neat is that?